Hey, what's up everyone? It's Eric here from Guy and Kicks. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. And in today's video, I'll be talking about a very popular sneaker by New Balance that's been pretty much selling out in almost every colorway that's been released. And the best part of it, it's only $90. Let's jump into it. So today's video is on the New Balance 327. Alright, so starting with the materials and design of this shoe. This shoe originally released with a collaboration with Casablanca back in April of 2020. And then there was a mass release of different colorways in May of 2020 for a retail price of $90. When it comes to the materials on this shoe, they mostly use nylon material, suede, and on the sock lining of this shoe, it's made out of a leather material. This colorway is basically a navy blue with red accents and the gray color here in the back with the gum bottom. What's really cool about this design is New Balance basically took three very popular sneakers from the 70s and basically blended them all together to create the 327. So they used the New Balance 320, the New Balance 355, and then the Super Comp. Basically when they released the New Balance 320, it was the first New Balance that had this exaggerated N here on the side. Then when they released the New Balance 355, it had this studded outsole. And then the New Balance Super Comp basically takes the very light sneaker and brings it into this new version. So you basically have a combination of a running shoe combined with a lifestyle shoe, which is one of the reasons that it makes this sneaker very, very comfortable. And then for the cushioning, it uses EVA foam. So I have to say, when I first saw pictures of the Casablanca collaboration with New Balance, when I first saw the sneaker, I wasn't too in love with it. Even though I did like some of the colors of that Casablanca collaboration, I was actually leaning towards buying the green one, but took an L on that. But then I kept seeing all these different releases of the 327, different colors. To be honest, I started liking them a lot. But then the best part is that they're only $90. And to be honest, there aren't that many sneakers out there that are less than $100 that carry, these really good materials, has a very nice style to it. There's a sneaker that stands out and is new, it's different. And this shoe just adds more to my obsession that I've been having with New Balance lately. It's almost like every New Balance sneaker that's being released, I'm like starving to get it, especially all those awesome collaborations that have been coming out. Man, it's like hard to keep up, but they're so amazing. And it feels good to be able to buy a new sneaker, even though obviously it's inspired by older sneakers, but it's cool to get something new, something fresh for only $90 and something that's sort of easy to get. It feels good sometimes to be able to step away from all those hype sneakers, all those Jordans and Yeezys, to kind of step back and just get something like this shoe that looks nice, it's comfortable, and it's new, it's fresh, and you'll definitely have some people staring at your feet when you're wearing these. So when it comes to sizing, these are narrow here, so maybe if you have wider feet, maybe you want to go a half size up. I'm a size 10, these are a size 10 and they fit perfect. So I definitely recommend these if you're looking to buy something new, something different, something that's only $90. There are a ton of colorways out there. They are mostly sold out everywhere, but like I said, just keep an eye on different places where they may be restocking. I keep seeing, for example, this colorway, it keeps restocking a lot. So just keep an eye and see if you can catch it and you don't have to pay resale value for it. All right, so let me show you how they look on feet. Alright guys, so that's it for me. Hopefully this video was able to show you the New Balance 327. Like I said, it's a super dope shoe. It's new. only $90. Definitely recommend you guys get them. And like always guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate that so much. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. Hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. I have more videos coming soon. And like always, follow me on Instagram at GuyandKicks. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.